make a circuit. The elements that we need are 9 bolts of battery, 3 alligators cables, a small light bulb, and 6 connect elements. Now we are going to try if it functions. We are going to take 2 cables and put it in positive side and in negative side. Let's see if it functions. We are going to connect it in the bulb. If it works. Oh, it works. Now let's try with the connect elements. We take another cable and put it in the bulb. And now we are going to take a aluminum paper. Let's see. Oh, it works. Now let's try with a metal key. Oh, it works too. See. And now with the lace. It works. See. And finally, for the elements of metal, we have a piece of metal. It works too. Now we are going to see if it functions with a piece of wood. Put a pair here, put another cable in another side. See, it don't function. Now let's try with a plastic. It doesn't work. See, it doesn't work. Now let's see if with all the elements of metal function. Let's see. Now connect with the cables. Oh. It works, see? Okay, this is all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in the next one.